In today's video, you will learn about the home remedies for yeast infections. If you've got a yeast fungus infection which is getting out of control, we advise you to consult a doctor before trying the house remedies for yeast infections. When medications don't work, home or natural remedies take over. Yeast disease infection can certainly be cured by home remedies via an easy yet effective method. In my personal experience, there's a remedy which may cure every sort of infection in record time. And with none side effect. We'll discuss it after we mention the house remedies for yeast infections. Some of the simplest remedies for yeast disease infections include 1. Yogurt. Ranked among the simplest remedies for yeast infections, yogurt provides a really effective cure. Just apply it onto the affected area for as long as you'll and see the results emerge after regular application. 2. Vinegar. It's a very good home remedy for this infections. The appliance of it's also very simple. Mix the water with a little vinegar and pass it over the affected areas. The water is simply for dilution of the vinegar. 3. Vitamin E. Apply its oil onto the affected parts for an efficient cure. Supplements. The bacteria that the body requires to fight against the yeast disease infection are found in little or no amounts within the body at the time of an infection. You'll consume its supplements for a cure. 4. Water. Drink tons of water a day. It helps in washing away the harmful toxins. 5. Cranberry juice. Drink it regularly for 2 to 3 times during a day alongside the opposite home remedies for yeast disease infections. 6. Diet. Take a diet for a simpler cure. 7. Coconut oil. It are often very helpful in treating the infection and is an excellent natural remedy for yeast infections. You do not need to apply this oil onto the affected parts, unlike many other home remedies for yeast infections. Just use it to cook food and other stuff in it and consume it indirectly. The consumption of the oil will induce certain microorganisms within the body which can help in killing the yeast effectively. Thank you for spending some time with us Natural Medicines. Give us your opinion on this video. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. For more information, subscribe to the channel.